So guys, this is my banana bread. It's so yummy. Yeah. So good. So guys, we'll try our banana bread. So yummy. So ngayong umaga, gagawa tayo ng banana bread. Ready na yan guys. So ang gagawin natin is ilagay natin sa ating oven. Ang temperature is 370 degrees for an hour. And leave it there. I-off nyo si oven. Leave it there for another 20 minutes. So depende kasi yan. Dahil may oven natin is sometimes mainit. May mga klase ng oven na hindi naman mainit sa temperature na 370. So, you have to check kung malapit na maluto yung banana bread. Okay? And thank you for watching. So, recipe in this side below guys. There's an arrow down. Click that one at makita ninyo ang description ng banana bread natin. Thank you very much. And sa lahat ng mga Pilipino dyan, be safe guys. Huwag kayong lalabas. Just stay in at kakain ng banana bread. Okay. Be safe everybody. Huwag kayong maghagilap ng virus sa labas, okay? Just stay inside and be happy with your family. Bake banana bread or play mahjong or play cards or kung ano-ano na lang gagawin sa bahay, di ba? So, para safety ang lahat, you have to stay inside and be safe. Dahil sa panahon ngayon guys, napakadelikado. Lockdown, so wala akong ginagawa ngayon. I just make my video, another banana bread for you. Thank you very much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Good morning, Pilipinas! Ngayong umaga, gagawa tayo ng banana bread. Since lockdown guys at hindi tayo makalabas, ang gagawin na natin is kain, tulog, kain at ano pa? Wala naman eh. Tulog, kain lang. So, ngayon, meron tayong banana. Gagawin natin is to bake a banana bread. So, well, of course, we have 3 bananas. Insakto talaga yan siya sa ating banana bread, guys. Isang portion. Meron tayong flour and sugar. Hindi tayo gagamit ng butter, guys. Pero gagamit tayo ng oil. Hindi olive oil, guys. This is vegetable oil. Meron tayong baking soda, sour cream. Ang pinaka natin dito sour cream para lalambot si banana. If you don't have sour cream guys, gagamit kayo ng yogurt, yung plain yogurt lang. And we have eggs. Hindi natin ubusin ng eggs, but we just use 3 of that eggs. Okay, umpisahan na natin ang ating banana bread. Ayan guys, lockdown ngayon, so wala tayong magagawa but bake banana bread. So next dito, gagamitin natin is sugar. Sugar natin guys is 1.5 cup. 1/2 cup. Tamang-tama ang talaga si oil. You see? Oh my dear. Ayan, tama lang si oil. That is 1/2 cup. So ayan, sa lahat ng mga taga-Pilipinas, please stay at home para matapos na ang virus, guys. Para hindi na siya maghawa-hawa sa mga tao, diba? So ito ang flour natin, 2 cups. And this is the second cup minus 2 tablespoons. So ayan siya, 1. Sugar, meron na tayong sugar, flour, eggs, at so 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Strain. Salt. So, ang salt natin, mga 1/4 lang siya. May mga dumidikit sa mga gilid-gilid. Ayan siya. Talagang tanggalin. Same as yung mga salawayo dyan na nag-rally-rally sa Pilipinas dahil sardines. Dapat tanggalin yan sila like this. Like that, guys. Tanggalin ninyo sila. Tayo ng butter dito. Ayan, para talagang hindi siya didikit. See, banana butter dyan, and bake it for 360 for an hour, and then you have to leave it sa oven for another 20 to 25 minutes. Or, i-through ninyo yung oven ninyo for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Pero sa akin hanggang ano lang siya. 1 hour, then leave it for another 20 minutes oven. Or another 30 minutes. So, depende kasi sa oven, guys. So, ito na ang ating banana bread. Ayan si banana bread natin, guys. Kibali to 1.5 portion ito dahil malaki siya. So, ginagawa ko siyang 1.5 dahil marami akong banana. Okay? So, ayan. Leave this one here para ano siya, parang to call it off. Okay? Happy Easter Sunday, everybody. So this is my banana bread. So good morning Pilipinas o magandang gabi Pilipinas. Ito ang ating recipe ng banana bread. You just click dito sa description beside me na merong arrow down. Yan, ilagay ko ang description ng ating banana bread. Sa lahat ng naka-couch potato dyan, gising, gising, gising at gagawa kayo ng banana bread. Okay?